What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this one, I am back with another banger of a video. More evidence to show that we will see one of the most bullish cycles we have witnessed in crypto, in the stock market for a very long time, right? The last year was one of the most brutal bear markets that we've ever witnessed. And in this video, we're gonna get into some information, and I found a very nice chart to give you guys a depiction of what we could expect for the future of crypto. And of course, Tonic will follow as well, because it is correlated with the top market movers in the space, right? And it has been performing so well against Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. This just shows that Tonic is a very strong, fundamentally sound project, right? We're gonna get into all of that in this video. If that's something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are at 1,850 subscribers. Let's get to 2,000. We're almost there. And please be sure to support my Tonic playlist right here on my homepage and my Tonic shorts as well. You could also become a channel member, okay? Just made that possible for you guys if you want to support the channel any further. Now, when we take a look at Tonic, we'll see that it's up 5.4%. Another day of being green. Tonic has been so strong in the charts, guys, recently. Like, it's super bullish, right? I was talking about Tonic, covering Tonic when it was in the red, around 9.8 million, $9.7 million in market cap, and now it's up almost 3x from the lows, right? And you know, that's so great to see, especially for everyone that was, you know, following the channel around that time, you know, who was, you know, seeing the red around this accumulation period. We had so much time of accumulation period at these levels, right? And even now it's still a great entry for Tonic. We could still see this move to the upside though, guys. This is such a bullish trend that we're seeing for Tonic. All I say is dollar cost average. That's the smartest thing to do. I'll keep repeating myself with that. You dollar cost averaging. You don't just buy your whole bag at one moment. If you invest like every week, every 2 weeks, you make your investment, because who knows, we could have a pullback, right? We could have a retrace. And you know, if you dollar cost averaging, you lower your buying average, so if we do retrace, you have a better entry. But if this is truly the start of the bull run and we continue up further, it really doesn't matter at the end of the day, right? So 30,383 people on the that are officially have Tonic on their watch list. And like I said, that number just keeps growing. It's almost at 31,000. $26.8 million in market cap. $30 million in market cap is coming very soon, I'm sure of that. 480k in 24-hour trade volume. The project is performing so well. Tonic is performing so well against other alts. The chart does not lie. The facts are in the charts. Look at this move that we're seeing right here. You know, it's just absolutely great to see, man. Everybody that has been holding, diamond handing, you're being rewarded already. And you know, this is just a tip of the iceberg. This is a tip of the iceberg. I read my comments, I see everyone that comments down below, and you know, we have so much more potential upside for Tonic. And who knows if we could you know, potentially make new all-time highs for Tonic in the future. I wouldn't rule it out, because what we're seeing from the last bear market, how, you know, brutal it was, it's only a matter of time until Bitcoin, Ethereum makes new all-time highs. The S&P 500, Nasdaq, they make new all-time highs as well. So a lot of altcoins who that have great fundamentals will more than likely be putting in new all-time highs. Right now for Tonic, you know, obviously 10x. I still do think 10 to 50 to 100x, even more than that, could still be very possible for Tonic, even at these levels. You know, $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion in market cap. I wouldn't rule it out, guys. You know, anything is possible in crypto. Always expect the unexpected, but don't don't fall prey to what happened to a lot of people in the last cycle, expecting that we were gonna go into a super cycle and Bitcoin in the last cycle was gonna go to 100k. A lot of people fell into that. So when we get to levels and you see potential gains, you see a 30, 50, 100x, take profits on the way up. It's the smartest thing to do. But right now, we have a long way to go still. So a 200% move for Tonic is minuscule to what could potentially happen in the future, right? So yeah, everything's looking great for Tonic, man. I'm telling you guys. We take a look at the stock market today. We see that stocks are still up a bit, up 1.32%. S&P, minor pullback, but still on its uptrend, which is great to see. Crypto will follow as well. I've been watching a lot of TA guys that expect the lead market mover, which is Bitcoin, to go to 25k very soon. It literally broke this downtrend that it was fighting against. It had a literal resistance line that it was fighting against this whole time, and it broke that trend. So 25k Bitcoin, who knows how far Bitcoin could go after it breaks 25k. We shall see, guys. We have a tweet from Kabir. In the last 24 hours, Crow is up 3.68%. In the last, currently trading at 0.8 cents, while Tonic is up 6.27%, currently trading at 346.024. Probably nothing during this moment. As you guys can see, the market is super bullish. Crow is making its moves to the upside, and so is Tonic, and that is great to see. I definitely have to like and retweet all of these tweets. I'm following you guys on Twitter as well. Give me a follow. I'll follow back. Let's keep spreading the word of Tonic out there. From Zigomatic.Crow, investors buying Tonic just like a sweet addictive lollipop. We have reached another milestone. It's time for this thing to pump like there's no tomorrow. And I completely agree with that. Tonic community super active, 29 likes, 15 retweets. Tonic is lit. From Let's Freaking Go Sean, stack it. And he is not wrong. Tonic is definitely lit. You have to look at how projects perform in these type of market conditions, and from what we're seeing from the Tonic chart, guys, it is performing so well. It is showing strength against the market. The market is bullish right now, but it's the trend that it has is holding so strong. There's a channel that I watch that always says the facts are in the charts, and the facts are in the charts with Tonic. From Agent 00, newest show in Web3 Tech Tuesday, where we talk Tectonic, soak up some game, and tell a friend, be the bank, come in and have a seat. Shout out to Doc Holiday 418 for the dope artwork. Tonight 8:30 EST. So if you guys want to go show support to other Tonic community members, be sure to go and do that. Shout out to Rybo. Awesome idea. Keep up the great work. This is what we love to see, man. A very active community takes a project so far. While the team is developing and putting in the work, the community, the strength of the community is something that also helps to push the project forward, right? Tonic has one of the best communities in the space, and that is bullish. That is absolutely bullish for the project. From Liam, Tonic not playing around. 1000x. Hey, who knows what could happen, y'all? Who knows? But yeah, when I look at Tonic, right, I remember in the last cycle there were meme coins that went to billions of market cap, billion, 2, 3 billion in market cap. I wouldn't rule it out for Tonic at all for the next bull cycle that's about to happen. I'm giving Tonic around $1 to $3 billion in market cap, somewhere around that range. Now, I could be wrong, but it still will potentially get up to that maybe $500, $600 million in market cap range, right? Who knows, guys? I'm telling you, this will more than likely will be one of the most bullish bull cycles we've ever seen. It will make history, just like how the last year being the most bearish we've ever seen. The next cycle will be the most bullish we've ever seen, right? It's only a matter of time, though. Stress-free world. Tonic, let's build our Tonic fanbase campaign, post, share links, and spread the words. Let's also follow Tonic family and supporters. Go, 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 Tonic. And I completely agree with that. Doing my best to follow everyone, spread the word of Tonic, like and share on Twitter. You know, everyone that's supporting the content, I appreciate you guys so much. It really means a lot, you know. And you know, I'll do my best to keep pushing forward, and Tonic is gonna be a monster in the future, man. I have no doubt in my mind about that. From F Bargain, there's no better evidence that Tonic performance in the last month is a sign of stability and strength. Completely agree with that. Remember that the zeros are the multipliers. We are buying Tonic tokens at the fraction of a penny. I completely agree with this sentence right here. Last month is a sign of stability and strength. The facts are in the charts, guys. From Quantum, Go Tonic, Soap Gods, Spot On, Dino Ocean. Triple my investment already and still nowhere near how far it'll climb. Exactly. A 200% move, because it did a 3x from when I was covering around 9.7 million. It already has done a 3x, right? So it still has so much more to climb in the future though. Tonic will make me a retired man. Shout out to Dino Ocean. Still so much more to climb. 200% move is nothing. It's nothing, guys. And from TA Analyst, look at this, guys. It's, history doesn't always repeat itself, but it does rhyme. As you guys can see, look at the RSI. We have, you know, we have bull run, then we have huge bear market, huge bull run, huge bear market, huge bull run. The second cycle wasn't as great as the previous, but I really do believe that this next one that we're about to begin is gonna be absolutely crazy. It's gonna be absolutely insane. Okay, this might be the moment when, you know, the institutions, bankers, and everyone are like super high, get super invested into blockchain technology, into DeFi. This might be the time when, you know, a lot of the people in the stock market, they start moving over to the crypto market. This might be that run, so you won't want to miss it, guys. The potential for what we could see in the future is going to be absolutely insane. Now remember, this is the Bitcoin chart, obviously, but Bitcoin is a lead market mover. When it starts getting bullish and starts going parabolic like this, expect projects like Crow and Tonic to follow. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me on these videos. If you made it this far, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about Tonic, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section. And everything Tonic and myself is in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.